Let's look at this. If each parent randomly passes down one card, there are 3 combinations total. So if you notice, only 1 out of the 3 have 2 aces. So only one of these combinations would give you the abnormal heart condition. Let's go back to Matt.
That's right. So even though the parents didn't show the heart condition, the child ended up with a trait that neither parent showed.
All because there are 2 copies, and one version was hidden by the other.
That's all very interesting, but you're missing out on all the other traits that have an important environmental component.
Okay, well, Skinner, let's hear it.